To install Git, you can download it from their official website. I will leave a link in the description below. So once you head over to their website, you go ahead and navigate to downloads. Then you select your operating system. I'll go for Windows since my OS is Windows. Then you select the version that works well with your system. If your system is a 32-bit, you can go ahead and download that. 64-bit, you can go ahead and download that. Then one thing you should know is that when you install Git, it comes with a terminal called Git Bash. Comes with its own terminal called Git Bash. You can go ahead and this is the terminal it comes with. But you can actually make use of, to make Git work or to work with Git, you can actually make use of any terminal that you have installed on your system. You can make use of your PowerShell, your Ubuntu. You can even make use of third-party terminals. So this is how to install Git. Once you install it, once your installation process is done, the terminal will be downloaded and the necessary files will be downloaded on your computer. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.